Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare TDAmeritrade versus Robinhood. We'll explore their distinct approaches to investing, helping you understand which platform aligns best with your financial goals. We'll cover everything from available investment options and trading tools to their fee structures and account types. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of each broker's strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to make an informed decision for your investment journey. When it comes to investment options, TDAmeritrade provides a broad spectrum, including futures, forks, and a wide array of mutual funds. Their Thinkorswim platform offers advanced charting and customizable screeners for in-depth analysis. Robinhood, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity, offering fractional shares and direct cryptocurrency trading, which is a big draw for many. While its tools are more basic, they are very user-friendly. Both platforms boast commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, a major benefit for investors. TDAmeritrade charges $0.65 per options contract, while Robinhood offers commission-free options. For account types, both provide individual, joint, and various IRA options like traditional and Roth. Robinhood also offers a margin account with competitive rates, and TDAmeritrade has a $2.00 minimum for margin trading. Ultimately, your choice depends on your investing style. TDAmeritrade is ideal for those seeking extensive research, advanced trading tools like Thinkorswim, and a wider range of investment products. Robinhood suits beginners and mobile-first investors who value simplicity, fractional shares, and direct crypto access. Consider your needs for depth versus ease of use. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.